Welcome to JKF Yacht Support, the trailblazer in the yacht refit and repair industry. We are proud to be the exclusive partner of Global Yacht Services, who develop an augmented reality and web-based solution designed specifically for live remote inspections and project management within the yachting sector. Our innovative platform is a game changer, offering a unique blend of real-time visual inspection capabilities and seamless project management, all integrated into one powerful tool. At JKF Yacht Support, we have invested significant time and resources working closely with yacht managers, subcontractors, and refit yards to bring this groundbreaking solution to life. With just a stable internet connection, you can experience live issue identification on your yacht, receive real-time voice and visual overlay instructions, and manage your project efficiently from anywhere in the world. In addition to our cutting-edge technology, JKF Yacht Support offers comprehensive support in executing the necessary works, backed by our extensive network of shipyards and subcontractors. Join us and lead the way in adopting the future of yacht inspection and remote problem-solving. This is JKF Yacht Support, where innovation meets excellence.